welcome back to my channel. It's Jessica, aka the Soap Lady. If you are new, welcome to our channel. If you are a returning skin bestie, thank you for coming back. Please make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel and leave comments down below to let me know that you have watched the video and what you liked and didn't like about it. In this video, I will be restocking some of our body butter creams. I actually was cleaning up my desk and I found some extra labels, so I thought, why not go ahead and make a day out of it and restock some of our best sellers. I do double whip our body butter creams. They are made with organic shea butter, organic rice bran oil. They have emulsifying wax, which is coconut derived, as well as I do add distilled water, which helps to hydrate the skin as well as moisturize the skin. Most of our customers love our body butters because they are very hydrating, moisturizing. They leave your skin with a shine, but without that greasy feel that some body butters can have. The body butter that I'm piping right now is called Enchanting Essence. It has notes of sparkling white wine, peony, and sandalwood. It is a very fresh, clean, and light scent.
Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie. You understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways.
If you made it this far in the video, thanks so much. If you could drop a bell in the comments, you will be added to this month's giveaway.
Cause I need to get away. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
So the body butter that I am piping now is one of our best sellers called Cashmere Dreams. It has notes of coconut, cocoa butter, and musk. And we actually make this product in soap, body scrubs, body butters, body oils, and in candles. Our body butters come in two different sizes. We have a 4-ounce and an 8-ounce. I am contemplating for Mother's Day to actually also offer a 16-ounce jar. If you guys are interested in that, comment down below and say we want 16 ounces. It will be limited stock, but I'm thinking about doing it. The next body butter that I'll be making is our oatmeal and coconut milk body butter. It is actually made with organic Kaleido oatmeal and coconut milk powder. This body butter is great for those who have extremely dry, flaky skin, who have eczema, or other skin conditions that cause the skin to be very dry and need hydration, or itch and needs to be soothed. This body butter does have a very decadent fragrance, which has notes of coconut and sugar cookies. And even with the addition of the Kaleido oatmeal and the coconut milk, this body butter is still very smooth to the touch and doesn't leave any texture on the skin. Just ultimate hydration. The last body butter that I'll be making is going to be our honey and turmeric body butter, which is also a great seller for us. And it has creamy notes, a little bit of spice, as well as notes of sweet vanilla. This body butter will leave you smelling like a nice old bundt cake. This body butter offers the benefits of turmeric, which helps to even out the skin tone, gives you a nice natural glow, as well as honey, which offers extensive moisturizing properties as well as anti-aging properties. If you would like to try any of our body butters or anything from our line for that matter, you can shop in store at 10017 Jefferson Avenue, Newport News, Virginia 23605. We also have locations in Portsmouth, Virginia, and in Midlothian, Virginia. You can also shop online, and the link to our website is listed down below. I want to thank you for coming and spending some time with me as I made some body butters. Once again, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.